Yeah, I think I'm full screen now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're full screen. Over to your good hands. Thank you, guys. Thank you, students who have joined us. I will be around throughout the next 3 years at your disposal. Thank you very much. Over to you, Dr. Kulkarni.
Thank you, Dr. Nirmala. It's always very difficult to follow the session after you. So I'll try to justify the confidence you have put forth in me. Guys, this is what we are supposed to do. Design thinking and if possible, disruptive innovation. And we'll be doing more of doing and less of listening. And hopefully it will be more participative. This is the topic of our discussion, design thinking. So hopefully after this session and after this, in this session, we are conducting two hands-on activities. Hopefully you'll participate in that and will enjoy the session. And this session will make you understand what is design thinking, what are the elements of design thinking, and it will also hopefully make you informed decision in applying design thinking in the products and businesses. This is what basically is design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. He's called as the father of design thinking, Tim Brown. And according to him, what is design thinking is, it's a human-centered approach to innovation. So mark this word. These are the two words. One is human-centered approach. The other one is innovation. That draws from the designer's toolkit to integrate the needs of the people, the possibilities of technology, and the requirements for business success. So it's a mix of all of that. So you might have heard a lot about customer-centric products, customer service, user experience. So innovation mixed with technology. So that brings a lot of disruptive businesses in the world. So this basically is design thinking. What exactly is design thinking is you're trying to solve few problems which users face. It's a non-linear process basically. It's human-centered, means you're going to understand the users, you're going to understand the customers and the clients who are going to use your product or services, and accordingly what they like, what is their experience when they use the product. That is at the center of the designer whosoever is designing this product. Solutions are usually creative solutions. They're iterative, collaborative. After the collaborative effort, the products will be coming. So you'll be adding design thinking to the existing methods of Lean, Six Sigma, NPD, value engineering. Basically, what you're doing is from the customer's perspective, you are empathizing, you are reframing the problem, and accordingly, you are redesigning your product. And the most important aspect in any design thinking solutions is not to go to the solution mode immediately. So you have to pause a bit, think a bit, think from the perspective of what customer looks, what customer likes, what customer wants. So then accordingly, you design, redesign your process or product. So these are the three magic lenses for design thinking: customer desirability, business viability, and technology feasibility. So this is what, whenever you're doing design thinking, whenever you're designing your product or a process, these are the aspects you're going to cover: what user desires, what are the feasible technology solutions available, what is the business viability. The amalgamation of all of that will bring in the money, will bring in the success, will make your product successful. So these are the various mindsets of designers. It can be a beginner's mindset: be childlike, be curious, think free, experiment, imagine. You can be collaborative, that too radical collaborative, team sport. Uh, you can do it by showing, by telling stories, getting more visual, drawing, and so on. These are the design thinking steps: understand, empathize, reframe, ideate, prototype, and test. I'll skip this also, and I'll go to something else. I want everybody to just focus on this for a few seconds and tell me about this, whatever you feel. Any participant can say whatever he feels like. Just absorb this figure, this image.
So it's feel like it's showing that every action has an equal and opposite reaction.
Okay, okay. Who said that?
So Harshit Gupta, sir.
Great, great, Harshit. Anybody else wants to say anything about this? What are you saying? What image you are seeing? Yeah, anybody wants to help?
Is
Arijit?
that reverse engineering?
Yeah, you can, please. Please.
Sir, is that reverse engineering or something?
Yeah, okay, hopefully. So any other guesses? You don't become very, very complicated. Just what you see, you tell. What are you looking at?
Sir, a gun pointing in the opposite direction.
Yeah, I'll ask like this. Something is wrong with this gun?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because if I pull the trigger, it will kill whom? The person opposite me, or it will kill me?
Opposite.
It will kill me.
Yeah, that's great. So, so there is something wrong with this design, right?
Yes, sir.
Anything wrong with this design? Where do I see this kind of signage? Make it fast, because we have many and we have many things to do. Don't think much like an intellectual, just think like a free bird and tell about this. Anybody? Vijay
Usually near restrooms.
Yeah, correct, restroom, but there is some problem here. It is gender neutral. The signage is gender neutral, and I may get confused. So this also is an example of bad design according to
Male toilet.
yeah. Even this toaster oven, you find all the indicators which are not clear. Had it been on these buttons written very properly, very, very clearly that what this button is meant for, the job might have been easier. This was an example of a good design wherein legibility, screen visibility, everything was good. That was a phone Nokia 5800. So it's an example of a good design and easy to use. Now I'll be very happy if at least 3-4 guys tell me about this. Make it fast. Just whatever comes to your mind, go on telling it. Yeah, what is it? Tell me, what is it?
It's a fan which seems battery operated and it looks portable.
Great, great. What else? How it will move?
The table fan.
Yeah. Anything wrong with this fan?
So I guess it's facing in the wrong direction, the motor.
Yeah. How it will move? Usually how the fans move? Will it rotate left and right? This fan will not rotate left and right. Are you getting it? This fan can move up or down. That's it. So there is something wrong with the design, and I don't know where do I press to start the fan. And the design is such that dust accumulation also is a challenge. So these are a few of the problems when this fan was designed. Fan head could rotate up and down with very limited rotation possibility. You cannot rotate left and right like other fans. Sound was loud, a lot of dust was there. Here also, the mop sink indicator is somewhere far away, right? Okay, guys, you tell me very frankly, you use your USBs or pen drives or flash drives, and you always struggle to put it in the USB connector. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So there may be something wrong with the design. So if some indicator which says that this is the way you should insert, so maybe that will solve the problem. Anything wrong with this in the restroom? Okay, I'll make it more. Now it's better, right? This one is better or this one is better?
The second one is better.
Okay, I need not explain this diagram also. So this was very minuscule initial Motorola design, is it not? Now, I'm moving on to something else. Are you looking at, what are you looking at? All is this, all of this, what are these?
A visiting card.
Great, great. These are the visiting cards. And you like this visiting card? You like this guy? Yeah. Who is this? Who is this?
Mark
Who is this?
Zuckerberg.
Mark Zuckerberg, and known for Facebook, right? And this is his visiting card. And you like this guy?
Satya Nadella.
This is Bill Gates. This is Bill Gates, okay? The founder. Yeah, then these are, this is like somebody called as Sita Rani, principal. Okay, and these are all visiting cards, right? These are all visiting cards, right? Would you all like to have your own visiting cards? How many of you have your visiting cards as on today? Kirtana, Mayumi Ben Lewis, Ramya, Rowena, do you have your visiting cards? Harshit, do you have your visiting? Harshit, do you have your visiting card? Sriram, do you have your visiting card?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why no? When it will happen? When you'll have your own visiting card?
Once I start working.
Okay. Dhruv, what about you? Dhruv, do you have your visiting card?
No, sir.
When you'll have your visiting card?
Sir, next year.
Why next year?
Sir, I think I will start a business next year.
Great. Shilpa, do you have your visiting card as on today? Yash, do you have your visiting card? Joe, do you have your visiting card? Make it fast. Tell me fast. Okay. Right. But am I audible to you all? Kirtana, am I audible? Jaskirat, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jaskirat, this is the last time to you. After that, we'll proceed further. Do you have a visiting card? Your own visiting card, Jaskirat? Yeah? Answer. Gautami, do you have your visiting card? Nothing wrong. Just say yes or no. Talk. Okay. I'll take the last somebody. Arijit Chakraborty, are you there?
Yes,
Arijit?
sir.
So do you have your visiting card?
No, sir.
Okay. So why can't we design our visiting card? What is there in our visiting card, right? We have our name, we have our designation. Assuming that after 1, 2, 3, 4 years, you will be something, right? So are you game for designing a visiting card of your own within 10 minutes? We'll spend 10 minutes to design our own visiting card. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Put in the chat window, all of you, yes, 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 if you are okay with that. Make it fast. We want to design our own visiting card. Put in the chat window the answer yes, if you are excited, if you want to design it. Chirag, will you do it?
Sure, sir.
Sure. Okay. So let us design a visiting card. And if you design the best designed visiting card, I'll give a small prize. And this is the small prize I am going to give you. My ebook, the name of that book is Golden Steps and 5 A's to Success. Okay. I'll not speak much about this. Whosoever gets the chance, whosoever wins, he gets the prize. Okay. So what we are going to do, tell me now what we are going to do. Archita?
Design.
Yeah. And Atul, what we are going to do? Gautami, what we are going to do now? We are going to design a
Design a visiting card.
great, great. But only condition is you are going to design your visiting card without using alphabets and numbers. Okay. Your visiting card should not have any alphabets and numbers. I'm giving you 10 minutes for this. Take a pen and a paper, draw it, and just display it, show it. The best one will pick up among ourselves and he'll get the prize. Is it fine with you all? Just try to be creative, try to be different. Use some signs, use some symbols, use something other than alphabets and numbers. Will you do it, boys? Will you try it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Great, great, great. So what I request all of you now is to take a pen and a paper, take 10 minutes and be on video and start drawing it. Right on the top, designing a visiting card without alphabets and numbers. You can have minimal information. You can have minimal information on the visiting card. You can use symbols, signs, anything, but not alphabets and numbers. Okay. So your time starts now, guys. The time is 5:04. We'll be stopping at 5:14. We'll be stopping at 5:14. Okay. So all of you be on your video, all the participants. Vijay Sri, Gautami, be on video. Yash, Srish, Harshit, Anup, Surek, Jaswant, Arijit, Ramya, be on video. Yeah. Are you all trying, Harshit? Dhruv, you are trying?
Yes, sir.
Anup, okay. Srish, are you trying? Are you trying to design a visiting card? Yash, are you trying? Yeah, great. Jaskirat and Ramya. Kirtana, are you trying? I think few of us are my co-host. Hopefully I'm. Mayumi, are you trying? Shilpa, you there? Tina, Kirtana, Jaswant, are you there? So I'll give you your time. So I'll not disturb you for another 4 or 5 minutes so that you'll wind up your activity fastly. Just try to be creative. Don't try to be perfect. Some of you, if you're not trying, that also is fine. You just have to tell me so that I know that who is trying. Joy, are you trying?
Sir, Sriram, yeah, I'm trying.
Okay. Shilpa? Shilpa, you there? Tina, are you there? Archita? Yash, are you there? Okay, we have another 4 minutes to wind up, and just be ready with your whatever you prepared, like Harshit, and try to explain in 1 or 2 lines. Those who finish, those who did not finish, not an issue. Okay. I'm giving you your you time. No more disturbance for another 4 minutes.
sir.
Yes, yes.
I use circles.
No issues, no issues. Feel free, feel free. But finish it. Another 2-3 minutes.
I'm done, sir.
Great, great, great. Can you just wait for 1 or 2 minutes so that others also, we are giving another 2-3 minutes to others. Yeah, I think we'll go first with Harshit. Harshit, this is your design, whatever is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you just elaborate what you wanted to convey, whatever is in your mind?
Actually, sir, my visiting card will be of a clothing company which will excel in shirts and boots, actually.
Okay,
And
great.
it will be the brightest and greatest company in few years, which will be who will be covering most of the market share and everything. And it will mainly target teens, and also I was wanting to draw in something regarding to teenagers and ages till 15 to 30.
Good, good. Very good, Harshit. Very good. And for everybody's sake, for all of us sake, can you tell what tool you use to design this?
So pen I use the normal pen.
Oh, okay, okay. Who is ready next? Sriram? Sriram, can you show it? Can you show it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I use pen.
Okay, great. And what is there?
Circles.
Right, right, right. And what it is conveying, what it is conveying?
I'm a student. I made a card.
Great, 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 great. Who else is ready? Thank you, Sriram. Well done, well done. Who else is ready? Yeah, Shilpa, can you just elaborate on that design? Is it Shilpa or somebody? Whosoever it is. Can you tell about this? Can you tell about
Sir,
this?
I am ready.
Okay, good. What's your name, boy?
The Dhruv.
Okay, but here someone called Shilpa is showing something, but the name is Shilpa and there is a boy. I'm getting confused. Is it Dhruv? You unmute yourself, Shilpa. Boy, can you unmute yourself? You're not audible. You're not audible. Shall we go with Dhruv? We'll come back to you, Shilpa. Is it fine?
Professor Kulkarni, Shilpa sent a message that his or her audio isn't working, I think.
No problem. But I saw the design. Fantastic, Shilpa. Fantastic. Not an issue. Dhruv, we can go further. Dhruv?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. You can share.
Sir, I'm sharing.
Okay. Great, 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 Dhruv. So, can you just elaborate on the design? Why
Sir,
this?
this is basically going to be a retail chain for traditional wear, where the customers can get traditional outfit, designer outfits, sir, for their traditional functions, sir.
No issues, no issues, no issues. But Dhruv, I had a small constraint when you were designing your greeting card. Did you follow that?
What, sir?
There was a constraint I mentioned. You have to design without using alphabets and numbers. No issues, but it was a very wonderful effort, Dhruv. Wonderful. Maybe you just missed.
Sir,
Yeah.
my drawing is not that good, therefore I used some
No issues, no
alphabet
issues, no issues, no issues. It was a
behind
wonderful
my
effort.
card.
It was a wonderful.
Thank you.
Anybody else is ready? Shilpa has seen your design, no issues. Anybody else is ready, or else we can go further? You have to tell me. Okay, Sindhu, can you share yours? Yeah, great, Sindhu. Oh, excellent, excellent. But you have to elaborate. What is that?
Sir, this is my card,
Okay.
and here it's my name and my photograph. This card is all about me. Actually, it's a card about music enthusiast who
Okay.
has great passion for music producing, and for people who see my visiting card, they shouldn't be confused with where my office is or what is my email ID, phone number. So here is my phone number,
Okay.
my email ID, my location, and this
Okay.
is my email ID. And these symbols are completely related to music.
Okay. So you have passion for music or what?
Yeah, yes, sir.
What you play?
Sir, I do not play I'm not good with instruments,
You
but
sing.
like editing and listen,
Oh,
kind of producing.
great, 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 great. Great,
Thank you,
Sindhu.
sir.
Excellent effort. Excellent effort. Any last? Anybody is there?
Sir, this is Nirmalia. Just curious to know.
Huh.
I think the candidate was showing this on screen because I couldn't see the design elements of the music enthusiast.
Yeah. She was showing her. She was on video. She's on video, and she's showing her screen.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Sindhu is showing again, sir. Is it possible to see for you to see? Can you check your videos?
Yeah, I can't see for some reason.
But no issue, sir. I'll send it to you. Don't worry. But this is one of the best. Sindhu's is the one of the best effort along with others.
Okay, okay. Now I see on the camera. Right.
Yeah, great. So I think these are the ones. Anybody else is there? Okay, so I'll stop here. But whosoever has drawn, everybody will get my ebook. Only constraint is you have to send your email IDs to me. Okay, and you're going to send your email IDs to me in the chat window, and I'll pick them and I'll send the books to you. Okay, shall we proceed further? Okay. Give me a minute. I think Harshit has overlapped my screen.
Sorry, sir.
No issue, no issue, no issue.
One second,
Uh,
maybe that could undo it. So actually, sir, I used this first time
Yeah.
this pen on Zoom, so I got confused. It was on my screen or your screen.
No problem, no problem, no problem. So all the participants, everybody say yes for another activity, which I'll take not in detail because it will take a lot of time, but you have to be ready for discussion for this. You have to be very ready for discussion for this. Okay, so say yes, all of you say yes. Atul, Archita, Dhruv, Gautami, Harshit, Jaswant, say yes for this last activity. Are you going to do it? Shall we do it? Okay, am I audible to you, boys? Yeah, I'll pick up your email IDs. Don't worry. All those boys who have drawn the visiting card, please put your email IDs in the chat window. And we are going for the next activity. Just observe this for a few minutes. Just observe this for a few seconds, not minutes, or take a minute max. Okay, you can start speaking. Tell me about this. Kirtana, can you tell? Joy, Kirtana, Shilpa.
Where do you insert the batteries of this? The
Yeah,
back part, there is no.
yeah. Can you repeat it? I was unable to listen to most.
Sorry, on the back part, there's no place to insert the batteries for the remote.
Okay, good, good. So pretty fantastic, pretty fantastic. Any other comment? Sindhu, will you tell something about this?
Sir,
Whatever
it
comes to your
seems
mind.
it seems like an old model of TV remote, and
Okay,
the design is not so convincing.
very good, very good, very good. So you spend some time, Sindhu, on what is not correct in the design. I'll try to go to others till that time.
Yes, sir.
Others are not responding.
The
Jaskirat, Shrish, Ramya. Yeah, tell me.
design is not correct.
Yeah, I got it. Sriram, I got it. Fantastic. But you try to spend what is wrong with the design. Others also can participate. Okay. Harshit, you want to say something? Dhruv, you want to say something? Shilpa, you want to say something? Okay, I'll come back.
The size of the buttons
Yeah.
appears to be very
Who is
small.
this? Who is speaking? Who was this? Who was this?
I mean, this Shilpa's like username,
Yeah,
from
great,
her
great,
son.
great, great. So you're not comfortable with the size of the buttons. Fantastic. No problem. No problem. I'll come back to Sindhu. Sindhu, you can tell me about what is wrong with the design.
Yes, sir. As of I see, there are too many buttons, sir, and
Okay.
it might be too confusing to the user.
Okay.
And design is supposed to make the product simplified,
Okay.
not more complicated. And those left arrow, down arrow should have been in a different design instead of those big
Yeah.
buttons.
Great, great, great.
There are too many buttons. We need to compromise
Okay.
little.
Okay, great, great, great. Actually, I usually take this as an activity for redesigning of this entire remote, TV remote. But there is a time constraint and there is a difficulty also. So that's why I just took it orally, what is wrong with the design. These are the two activities which we had conducted. And as you could see, this is one of the elements which we covered from our HETIC courses. That element is the design thinking. So there are many pillars of HETIC course. This is one of the major pillars like design thinking. where usability experience, user experience, customer satisfied products. That is one aspect. The other pillar is the cutting edge technologies, which are say blockchain or Python or big data. So these are included. And the third aspect is a lot of business strategies, digital marketing. So that component also is there. So it tries to give you this HETIC course is trying to give you all the components which will make you a successful entrepreneur, successful thinker, creative thinker, lot of opportunities. We are pretty much excited about this course. We ourselves are exploring a lot, and hopefully you will also join us as family and we'll try to go further. Nirmala sir, this is what I wanted to cover in a short period of time. Hopefully I could justify. And if any questions are there from students, myself and sir are there to answer. Are you there, sir?
Sir, I think he has left the session. If any doubts, I can clarify.
Yeah. Boys, do you have any doubts? Surekha madam is there and I am there. Surekha madam is there from the admission side for any kind of issues, for any challenges. You can.